Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel Diamond Paintings with Mike here, and today we have another Amazon unboxing, and I just want to thank Just Play, the game on Android. Just Play actually funded this, so very cool. As I said, I'm not affiliated in any way, shape or form with them. It's just a game I play in return for vouchers, and played for like 2 nights and managed to get the goal that I wanted to get this painting. This was £1.99, so very happy about this. Now, when I saw this, it was not one that I was going to get, but it's like I don't know whether it's like a Christmassy one or a wooden one, but let's take a look and see what you guys think. Oh, lovely. Pixelated by the looks of it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, well, we'll just have to see how it looks. Oh, man. They make it look so good online, and then when you get it, it doesn't look anything like what it's supposed to be. But what it is in here. It is supposed to be a wood cabin. Now, as you can see, the idea is that this is supposed to be the cabin. We've got a tree, obviously the sunset here, and there's supposed to be 2 deck chairs here with a fire. Now, I can't remember what whipping chat it was, but I was saying that I wanted to get this painting because I don't know whether it would be a Christmassy one, whether it wouldn't be, but what do you guys think? I mean, I think it's a bit Christmassy vibe with the red, and, you know, especially here, it looks like we've got some cardinal birds there. But I don't know. Would it be a wintry one? Would it be a summer one? I really don't know. I'm not going to say this is a Christmassy one. As you can see up here, that's what it's supposed to look like. So you guys let me know in the comments. I think online they said it was a Christmas one, but I don't know. Obviously, lovely, gorgeous picture. Lots of different colours going on in this. But it is pixelated, but we can still do it. I think it will come out quite nice. What I love here is we've got the little illuminous of the lights inside the house to give that warm sort of feeling to it. And then obviously that lovely warm fire going up in the sky. It looks like they're having a bonfire. Bonfire while watching the moon and stuff. But again, would this be like snow or stuff? Is it a lake? We don't know. As you can see here again, it looks like they're watching some sort of lake. So yeah, I'm going to say that this is not a Christmas one. But do let me know in the comments, because I'm torn whether to do it for December or whether to do it now, because I just don't see it being a Christmas one. But anyway, enough of the blabbering on. And it did take me a couple of days to debate whether I wanted it. We've got a standard boat here, lots of bags for you, Tessa. I'll get them out to you if you need them. Just let me know anytime if you don't need them, because I don't want to send them if you don't need them. And then obviously Squodgy, this one's a really lovely one. They could have put some tweezers in there, nice finishing touch there. Okay, so let's take a look inside here. I think Craft Addict Roxanne will like this one, because she does quite a lot of cabins and wood ones, and got 2 different versions in here. Oh, lovely, very nice. Okay, so in here we have, I'll go for the first packet first, but we have a white, a purple, an orange, a blue, a green, a dark blue, a lilac, a pink, a green and a peach. So that's really good. Apologies for the shadows, it is just turning up to 4 o'clock here, so just getting to daylight ending. But I thought I better squeeze this in now or it won't get done. And then we've got a dark blue, a light blue, a green, a couple of greens there, darker green, gorgeous vibrant purple colour there, and an orange and a green, and we've also got a red. Probably, what colour is that? That is 13 would be N817, so it's not your 666, Tessa, okay? Blue, another blue, that's a lighter blue. We've got a purpley blue there, another sort of grey blue, a couple of oranges, and then that sort of tangy sort of orange colour, another red. Oh, is that 66605? Is 666. There we go, Tessa, that's the colour you wanted, 666. She loves that colour for some reason. And then we've got a brown and an orangey sort of brown, and a grey blue, and to finish off a little purple. So yeah, as I said, I was a bit torn whether to like save it for Christmas or do it now, but I mean, even there looks like there's snow dropping on the tree. But let me know in the comments, because I really don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. A huge thanks to Just Play, who very kindly funded this. As I said, I'm not affiliated. I just get vouchers in return for the game. If you look on Android, if you look on the Play Store, you can only get it on Android phones for some apparent reason. You can download the game Just Play, and you play games and earn vouchers to get paintings like this. So the more free stuff we can get, the better. So yeah, it took me about 2 days to reach the $1.99, but if I really want it badly, I'll add money to it, but I want to get as much free out of them as I can. That's the game, right? But anyway, let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and thank you all so much for all the lovely YouTubey things you do, watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free of charge, doesn't cost you a penny, and you can also tap the notification bell, and that'll give you a notification every time a video pops up on the channel. So thank you very much for watching. Take care. Catch you later.